In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new column to the Xsheet and create a new level for drawing or animation. The Xsheet, sometimes called the timeline, is where your scene is organized frame by frame. Think of it as a vertical storyboard. Columns run left to right, and each column can hold one level of artwork or animation. To begin, make sure the Xsheet is open in your workspace so you can see the area where column names appear along the top. Move your cursor to that header area, the row with the column names, and right-click directly on it. This opens a context menu specific to the Xsheet's column controls. From that menu, choose Insert Column. The software will create a brand new empty column, usually right next to the one you clicked. You'll see a new header appear, confirming that the column is ready. This empty column is a container. It doesn't do anything until it holds a level. A level is the actual artwork or animation data that lives inside the column over time. With the column created, you're ready to add a level that matches your workflow. You can create a raster level, a vector level, or a Toonz raster level in that column, and then start drawing or animating. Here's how to think about the choices so you pick the right one for your project. Vector levels are resolution independent and great for crisp, scalable lines, easy editing of strokes, and clean graphic styles. Raster levels are pixel-based, ideal for painterly textures, soft shading, or when you want brushwork that behaves like traditional digital painting. Toonz raster levels combine the flexibility of digital tools with a traditional animation feel, especially useful for ink and paint workflows and scanned line art. Deciding on the level type early helps you avoid switching methods mid-project, and it keeps your tools consistent across frames. Once your level is created in that new column, you're ready to draw on individual frames or build your animation across the timeline. The column keeps all drawings from that level neatly aligned by frame, making it easy to manage timing and exposure. If you're organizing a complex scene, it's helpful to keep each character, prop, or effects pass in its own column with a clearly labeled level so you can adjust timing independently without disturbing other parts of the scene. And that's it. You open the